Alright, what's going on? Still fighting this damn cold or what have you. If anybody has never seen one of these, oh, my throttle cable broke. So, after taking this all apart, of course we'll clean this up probably a little bit, but taking it apart, they don't make air filters for this no more. Pointless. I was able to get the throttle cable though. That was good. I got the throttle cable and I got a new spark plug for it. So usually what happens is sometimes a company makes a really good product, lasts for years. I've had this thing, it's probably 90s, I would imagine. Worked flawless. It's the first time anything's ever happened to it. So, you know, like that guy said, you can't find parts for it. And luckily he had a throttle cable because they use that throttle cable on another model. But you gotta take, this is the back of it, you gotta take your shaft off, you gotta take your cover off, and we were just inspecting everything, you know what I mean, we're not really, my centrifugal clutch is good, everything looks good other than it's dirty. A little bit of carbon on top of the cylinder, but not bad. Top of the piston. And then this is just like a freaking giant speedometer cable. I'm gonna grease that back up and stick it back in there. So when I get it all back together and everything, I will do a demo. So stay tuned for the part 2.